How to add and enable free VPN on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, click on the Start menu in the center of the taskbar and select Settings. In Windows 11 settings, choose Network and Internet in the left-hand panel. After that, move to the right part, scroll down to the Find and click on the Dial-Up option. Then on this next screen, choose Network and Sharing Center. In the Network and Sharing Center, click the Set Up a New Connection or Network. In the new window, choose a connection option. You should select Connect to a workplace to set up a dial-up or VPN connection to your workplace. Next, click Use My Internet Connection VPN. Then you will be asked to fulfill the internet address, IP address or IP name and destination name. It can be the same as the internet address. Then return to select Change Adapter Settings in the left menu in the Network and Sharing Center. Then just change the properties of added VPN as in way first. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.